Critical thinking. What is critical thinking? How can we use critical thinking in the classroom? What is critical thinking? It is looking closely and carefully at the way you think and presenting evidence for your ideas. Stopping to think clearly and thoroughly can improve the way we express our ideas. Let's look at this problem-solving process. First, we need to identify the problem. Next, we need to explore information and create ideas. After we've done that, we select the very best idea. Then we build and we test that idea. And lastly, we evaluate the results. Let's look at some tips to improve our critical thinking skills. Number 1, comparing. When we compare, we look for similarities. Let's take these pictures for instance. How are they similar? Well, they are similar because they're all shapes. They're all two-dimensional, and they're all quadrilaterals. Number 2, contrasting. When we look at contrasting, we look at the differences. Let's take this picture for instance. Can you see the differences in both sides? Let's see. Let's move on to number 3. The third tip is analyzing, basically breaking it into parts. When we study something closely and carefully, we analyze it. Let's take this pie for example. Let's analyze its parts and see what's inside. Oh man, I guess I need to go to the store. I don't have any eggs or butter. Number 4 is categorizing. When we categorize, we put things in a particular class or group. Let's look at these bunch of shapes. Now let's categorize them. Let's move on to our last tip, number 5, evaluating. When we evaluate something, we are making a judgment about the importance and quality of our ideas. Let's say we need to do research on dinosaurs. We can look at the Encyclopedia of Dinosaurs, or we can ask our crazy Aunt Maggie who loves dinosaurs. Which resource do you think would be better quality? Critical thinking in the classroom. Teachers can always encourage creativity, no matter what subject. We can give the skills needed to solve problems, any problem. By utilizing technology, students can share ideas. They can work with other students to solve complex problems, and they can improve their ability to ask thoughtful questions. Taking advantage of social media technology can make it possible for students to explore. To sum it all up, we really just need to use our noggins. So, I'll leave you with one of my favorite critical thinking movie clips. Enjoy!